Anyone that has been watching this channel has known I've been building out the foundational elements of my wardrobe, but I'm currently kind of transitioning into layering in those more interesting odd jackets, odd trousers, and seasonal specific items for fall, winter, and then spring, summer. I've got two new exciting pieces that I'm adding today. Joe and Davidge have made these up for me, really in the exact same make as this hopsack jacket. So let's take a look and see what's inside. I'm Kirby Allison, and I love helping the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes. Join me as we explore the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm excited to unbox two new Dormeuil odd jackets from MyTailor.com. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button so you can join our community of the well-dressed that love quality craftsmanship and tradition. If you haven't visited KirbyAllison.com, please do so. Of course, it's how we support this channel here. And there you'll find the largest collection of luxury garment care and luxury shoe care accessories in the world, like Saphir shoe polish, as well as other great clothing accessories for the well-dressed, like this beautiful sovereign grade ancient matter necktie that I'm wearing today. Now, MyTailor.com, of course, is one of my primary sources for clothing. Joe and Davidge HEMRAJANI have been good close friends for a long time and have made a lot of pieces for my wardrobe. And actually, everything that I'm wearing today, with the exception of the shirt and tie, is from MyTailor.com. They've done this hopsack odd jacket and the cotton chino trousers that I'm wearing. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So this, of course, I sent them my own fabric. That was what was unique about this particular process. And so one of the great things about the HEMRAJANIs is that they will allow you to send your own fabric. And so this isn't something that other makers will necessarily allow. And so I think that this, what we're seeing right here, is the extra fabric after they've got done cutting it. So as you can see, this is Dormeuil fabric. And Dormeuil, of course, is a French mill. All of their fabric is made in the United Kingdom and in Italy, which of course are the two historic centers for milling and where most of the world's really fine cloth comes from. So these are basically the ends, if you will, and there's actually three pieces. I forgot that I sent them three, two odd jackets, and a pair of trousers that is going to pair perfectly with both of these pieces. So we've got a little leftover fabric, I guess, which is good. And here we've got the pieces. So let's pull these out of the box and take a look. All right. There we go, exactly what I was expecting. We've got two beautiful odd jackets and a pair of trousers to pair with them. So let's kind of pull these out and lie these on the table first. Of course, they all need to be sent to the dry cleaners to be pressed, but we can get a good sense of what we have here. All right, there we go. So here we've got the second jacket. Again, nice kind of navy odd jacket. You can tell it's a summer piece, very casual. And oh, look at this. I totally forgot about this. It's a little bit of a bonus offering in here. Oh gosh, this goes to show you that, you know, with COVID, I've forgotten even the things I had ordered. So this is a double-breasted navy linen suit. Again, that double-breasted piece that Joe did for me, I've enjoyed it so much that I thought, you know, adding a linen piece would be a great idea for the summer. And then finally, this pair of odd trousers in this beautiful kind of oatmeal. It's really not a cream, it's an oatmeal. And you can see that what's nice is that these trousers would work with all three pieces. And this is a big part of kind of building a wardrobe, especially with kind of odd pieces, is that they should all endeavor to work as well together as possible. So let's talk through this a little bit, since this is a little bit more than I expected. So first, since we've got the trousers right here, why don't we talk about the trousers? So again, as I mentioned, you know, these are made by Dormeuil, or actually it's Dormeuil fabric, you know, made by the HEMRAJANI, so they actually did the work. These are cut high-waisted with tabs. So it's got a waistband in the front, no waistband in the back, which allows it to sit up higher, and really cut for braces. So these could easily be worn with braces. but with the tabs on the side, I could pull them in to wear them without braces if I wanted to. And this is a really interesting fabric, and this is really made perfectly for summer. It's a very lightweight fabric that's made from a blend of 50% wool, 30% silk, and 20% linen. So it has that nice kind of texture of linen. It's gonna breathe, of course, because it's linen, but it's still a wool trouser that's gonna behave like a wool trouser, so it's not gonna have the same degree of wrinkling that you get with a 100% linen trouser. And it just has that finesse and the lightness to the drape that I thought really would complement my trousers quite nicely. So this is turning into quite the unboxing. I went ahead and put on these Oatmeal Dormeuil trousers. Again, these are the 50% wool, 30% silk, 20% linen. And as you can see, they really work even better with this Hopsat jacket than the khaki trousers I was wearing earlier do. I also changed my tie. This is another one of our sovereign grade ties. This is part of our fall winter collection, but still works great with what I'm wearing right now. It's a beautiful kind of a blue. And again, this is a Hopsack weave, which gives it a little bit of texture, which really kind of works with what I have. Again, I just want to showcase how versatile these trousers are. I'm going to wear them as I put on all three of these jackets. And one of the things that you'll see, and this is a virtue of a nice neutral oatmeal color, is just how versatile it is. So next, let's look at this beauty right here. Again, perfect jacket, very well made. Let's see, it was done with patch pockets right here. You know, a regular kind of, you know, breast pocket right here that's got a nice little lip. Beautiful Milanese buttonhole. And this is made, again, 83% wool, 17% linen. Doesn't have any silk in it. And you can see that immediately because this fabric has more texture. It's a darker blue, really pushing navy with a little bit of a brown kind of overcheck here. And again, absolutely beautiful jacket. It's very lightweight. Now I changed this up. I put patch pockets right here, again, just to make it even a little bit more casual, to differentiate it from the other piece. Still has a normal breast pocket. It's not a patch pocket right here. And this is an absolutely beautiful piece that, again, is perfect with what I'm wearing right now. And again, you can see just how versatile these trousers are. This piece right here looks just as good. So look at this, another beautiful piece. And then another one, again, bolt of cloth I picked up. It's a little bit of a lighter blue, and it has an interesting, almost kind of a pink in here. And again, I thought this was a beautiful jacket. I did this with a normal kind of besom pockets as opposed to patch pockets. Slightly more formal jacket, you know, beautiful kind of lapel and roll. We've got this Milanese buttonhole, which Joe does an absolutely exceptional job at. You can see it's made by hand. And really, again, exceptional piece. And same fabric. And otherwise, I'd say, you know, it's a great jacket. It still needs to be pressed. I mean, it's just been taken out of the box, but it's great. And I can tell you this is exceptionally lightweight. And again, it's a testament toward Dormeuil as a mill, really being able to put out some exceptional fabrics that are really blending different fibers together. This particular jacket is made out of 75% wool, 15% silk, and 10% linen, which again is really quite a technical feat to be able to blend all those together as seamlessly as this one is. And again, works perfectly with these odd trousers. This is a great jacket. You know, maybe I would choose a little bit of a different tie. Maybe I'd go for a nice blue grenadine, but otherwise, this is a beautiful, beautiful jacket. And then of course, as you guys have all seen my navy double-breasted suit. I've gotten so many compliments on that double-breasted suit. I thought it'd be fun to have another one made for the summertime. This is a navy linen, absolutely perfect. The great thing about navy is that it's a little bit more versatile than, say, gray, and that is much more easily worn as an odd pair of trousers or jackets. The only problem with gray is that, you know, most dark charcoals really are best worn as part of a suit, whereas with navy, you really can get away much more easily splitting that apart into two different garments. Whenever it comes to pairing suits as separates, really the most important thing is that if it's a solid, it's much more easily done. The moment that you add a pinstripe or anything else into that is the moment that it really gets pegged as a suiting fabric versus an odd jacket. And again, one of the things I like about this linen, and one of the reasons I chose it to have another suit made up, is that because it's got this visual texture of the linen, it juxtaposes it against whatever trousers that you're gonna wear and really allows it to kind of stand on its own as a separate much more easily than if it was a highly worsted fabric, which is very formal. So this jacket, I'm sure, is going to get an absolute ton of use, and I'm very excited for that. This thing is amazing. I mean, just look at it, how beautiful it is. It really is such a testament to how a double-breasted suit can look so smart whenever it fits well. And this linen that Joe and David used in this double-breasted suit, I have to say, is bulletproof. I mean, this stuff has some beautiful body to it. Now, this linen is from Spence and Bryson, and I have to say is absolutely beautiful stuff. And we'll actually include the details of this linen in the description of this video, because again, it is so nice that you know, anyone that's looking to have a suit, I would rank this linen right up there with the 5-star fabric that Joe and David had my navy double-breasted worsted suit made out of. This is just as beautiful of stuff. So, you know, look at this. So absolutely beautiful suit, great vents in the back. I just love the cut, beautiful brown pockets. And the other thing that I really have to drive home here is just how versatile this particular suit is, because it's so easily separated into separates, either an odd jacket or an odd pair of trousers. So in the first part of the video, I was wearing that oatmeal pair of trousers, and I tried it on with the 3 different jackets to show how versatile that is. I think in the second part right here, why don't we take this jacket off, I'll keep the trousers on, and we'll show just how versatile these navy linen trousers are as an odd pair of trousers. So here we are back to one of the odd jackets. And again, I think that so far, I mean, other than the actual linen double-breasted jacket, which is a clear favorite of mine, this is another favorite of mine. I mean, this is such a soft Dormeuil fabric. I mean, it's got that linen in there. It's got the beautiful kind of visual texture. It's lightweight, but it's not rough to the hand. It's not gonna wrinkle like 100% linen would. And again, you can see just how beautifully this works with these linen trousers, with the tie I'm wearing, really with my entire outfit. Just changing the jacket, again, just works seamlessly, and you know, totally changes the look that I have on right now. All right, now for the next one. So again, this particular Dormeuil jacket has a little bit of silk added in with it. Again, that creates a little bit of a higher finish. It's got a little bit of a shine to it. I mean, nothing too shiny, but this is something that I would wear to a business cocktail function, or you know, to just a day in the office. Again, it has that nice kind of finish to it that you know, makes it, again, a beautiful jacket. Now, because of that, I had this made with normal kind of besom pockets, flap pockets, and again, it just kind of heightens the formality a little bit. I mean, I wouldn't call this a formal jacket, but it's certainly a little bit on the more formal side of the odd jacket side of things. Beautiful fabric, again, works perfectly with the linen odd trousers I'm wearing. And again, the make on this is exceptional. Very happy with this, and know that I will be getting a ton of use. So let's finish this off just going back to that navy hopsack jacket that I was wearing whenever we opened the video. And again, just round it off, we'll show 4 different jackets with these particular pair of trousers, and just driving home the versatility of this navy linen double-breasted suit. So here we are, almost full circle. This is the navy hopsack jacket that the HEMRAJANI brothers made for me also. And let's put this on. And again, just show how well this works together. Now, when matching navies, there's really kind of 2 important things to keep in mind. One, you need enough of a difference either in texture or color, and that it's obvious that these aren't 2 pieces of a suit, or maybe 2 pieces that are just slightly off. And so, again, this might be kind of pushing it, but because, again, the navy hopsack has such a rich texture to it, and then the linen, different material, different texture, and different shade, this works. And again, you know, it just kind of rounds his outfit off. And I've got the pocket square in, I've got the sovereign gray tie, and I have to say, I feel great. This was a little bit of, I guess, a mystery unboxing. I didn't fully anticipate just how many pieces Joe and David HEMRAJANI were sending me. And so with this newest delivery, I added 2 odd jackets. I added a navy double-breasted linen suit that can be used as separates, and that combined with the oatmeal odd trousers and some of the other items that already exist in my wardrobe, I have an exceptional kind of summer seasonal collection of clothes here that I couldn't be more excited about. So we'll have more videos coming about this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And of course, Joe and David are dear close friends of mine. They've been a significant part of kind of my configuration and tailors, and they do absolutely stunning, exceptional work, as you can see in this video today. If you're new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button so that you can join this community of men that love quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. Follow me on Instagram at Kirby Allison. It's the best way to stay up to date about what's going on kind of in our world. And then of course, make sure you visit KirbyAllison.com. It's how we support this channel. And there you'll find the largest selection of luxury garment care and luxury shoe care accessories in the world. Don't forget about those wooden hangers. All of these garments will be hung up on one of our luxury wooden hangers to make sure that they are well preserved and taken care of. If you enjoyed this video, go check our entire playlist that we have with Joe and David HEMRAJANI. We've done a lot of great videos with them. You can see who those guys are, what they're about, and kind of walk through my journey of some of the other pieces that we've had. And in particular, take a look at the video that's the delivery of that navy double-breasted suit that they made for me. It really did serve as the inspiration for the navy linen piece that you saw in today's video. I'm Kirby Allison, and I love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. Thanks for watching.